Hey y'all, we're back with another banger. No pun intended. The company we'll be working with today is Yolissa Hair, and if I didn't tell you guys, my name is Slayed by Jordan. This is all the stuff that came inside the packaging. The wig features three combs in the inside and an adjustable strap. This is a 30-inch body wave HD 13 by 4 200% density wig. Oh my God, that was a mouthful. But as you can see, the HD lace is HD lacing. The knots are small. And yeah, the wig look a little crazy out the box because y'all, I was messing with it for a few weeks before I showed y'all. But anyway, this is a really good wig. It gave me very minimal shedding. And y'all, when y'all see how I pressed it out, y'all gonna be like, oh my God. We're back with my girl Nisha. We finna get this install started. I did go ahead off camera and watercolor this wig black. I don't want to say jet black because I didn't have my jet black dye. I literally only had a Kiss Temptation black, and I mixed it with like some Adore Royal Navy. So it's not jet black, but it's definitely not the natural number 2 color the wig comes. I also did bleach the knots off camera and plucked. Okay, baby, I plucked this wig because I did not want my bangs super thick. I love a thin wispy bang. But if you love your thick Chinese Nicki Minaj bangs, I'm cool with that too. It's all what you like. I just want to show y'all how I did what I did. I'm going ahead and position the wig on her head. We finna sew it down. I didn't show me sewing it down on camera, but y'all know how to sew. I know y'all do. And yeah, we gonna cut them ear tabs off and we gonna get started with this gluing process. Y'all already know what glue I'm using today. Lace Mill Adhesive Maximum Strength from the BH Slay from my girl Beautiful Hustler. Shout out to you. We doing 4 layers. Let's get into it, baby.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I
So after we lay that lace down, we're gonna go ahead and, use our comb and our blow dryer to make sure we're sticking that lace into the glue and it's, submerging with the skin. Then after we do that, we're going to go ahead and part the hair off in the middle. Even though we're doing a bang style today, I find it very easy to just start from a middle part and then create your bangs. It makes it so much easier, y'all. So we're gonna start with the middle part. And after we part her hair down the middle, we're gonna tie her hair with the elastic band, and then we're just gonna blow dry it straight off camera. Cause once again, this is a body wave wig. But when y'all see how good this wig pressed, I know y'all gonna be sold. We're about to cut the excess lace off using our eyebrow razor and shears if need be. And then we're going to add some more makeup just to make sure everything is blending in, seamlessly. Honey, it's the scalp for me, honey. Do not play. Like, I ain't gonna even lie, y'all. Yolissa surprised me with this one. Yolissa surprised me with this one. Because, I've used their hair in the past and it was cool. But they must have stepped their game up for real. I ain't even fronting y'all. Because this ain't what I'm used to from Yolissa. So, shout out to y'all, Yolissa. Right now, what I'm doing, I'm taking my hot comb and my wax stick and I'm just pressing, all their hair down because we want a flat install. Even though it is bangs, some of y'all like the height in your bangs. You want everything else on the side to be laid down. You do not want a bumpy wig and then you add bangs and then it's just looking so fat. I don't want a fat Chinese bang wig. I don't want the top of the bangs to be Humpty Dumpty. Like, that's so ugly. Like, I want everything flat and just nice and neat and just flowy. Y'all know I live for a flat wig. I sprayed the lace with some hairspray. We're going to tie it down again with our elastic band. And while that's doing the little melting process, we're going to go ahead and press this hair out. I use my Babyless Titanium 2-inch flat irons from Sally's. Not the blue ones that everybody else use. I prefer the black ones, just personal preference. And y'all know I spray my Beyond the Zone on each section before I press the hair out. So, yeah. I didn't press the hair right here. What you see right now is after I went in with each section and put wax on the roots and hot combed it down on the frontal. That was just to get that flat first. But now I'm pressing the actual hair out first. I'm pressing the hair out now. Okay? I be saying so much at once, y'all. I begin tongue tied. The hair is done being pressed out. The lace is melted. So now we're gonna take our Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. We're gonna part out like a. It's giving like a half moon. Yeah, a half moon. It's giving a half moon shape, kind of like a triangle sort of type. Just pay attention. We're gonna part that out, take our mousse, comb that down, and we're gonna wrap that down with like about 4 or 5 wrap strips because 3 was just not enough. And you really want it to lay flat and you don't want it to lift your lace underneath, even though it's not gonna show. You still don't want it to lift underneath. So you need to tie that down really, really well. Now, after about 10-15 minutes up on the dryer, it is dry. It'll be smushed to the head just like that. You're going to comb it out. I did go over with the hot comb just a little bit just to make sure, everything is, in the direction that I need it to go. And then we're going to start cutting this with our razor comb. I always start at the bridge of the nose, even though that's, extremely too long. But then again, some people do like their bangs over their eyes. Girl, it's all personal preference. But I always start right at the bridge of the nose because, girl, I done did some bangs where you cut it exactly where you want it to stop and then you go bump it. And them things be at the middle top of your forehead. And girl, that is going to piss somebody off. So, cut it longer than you want it at first. Bump it and then you just cut it down as much as possible. I'm telling you, please do not cut your bangs exactly where you want them at first. Because you're going to be so disappointed. I like to cut with the razor comb because the shears give you a more blunt cut and we want more of a wispy bangs. After I do get it to the length that I want, I'm actually going to go in with my shears and do like a little point cutting just to, make it a little bit more choppy and make it, to cut it to exactly where I want to, but it won't be blunt. You know what I'm saying? I know I just said a mouthful again, but, just watch. I feel like watching you'll understand better than me explaining it because, girl, I be listening to my own self-explain stuff and I be like, that ain't it. But y'all know I really be trying. I really do be trying. Leave me some comments down below if you have any questions, though.
Make a move on, and if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see, the more that.
Then after that, I just comb all the hair forward and look at how silky this body wave wig got. Like, shout out to Yolissa Hair, y'all. Make sure you check the description box for more information and links on this wig. You can also check out more information on how to book an appointment with me, where I'm located at. P.O. Box information if you want to just send me anything. Yeah, y'all know the basics. I really do appreciate y'all watching. Comment some more styles you want to see me do. I want to try more styles outside my norm in different colors. And, just get it back fun and popping. I love y'all. Goodbye.